Oh, actually, what we can do is chat with another. Let's bring another. What's called the prompt engineer. Is prompt engineering still a thing? Not sure. Don't think so. Wouldn't think so. But in AI Studio, so using Gemini. We'll do the stream. Whatever. Voice doesn't really matter. I'll share a screen with it. See how that goes. Hey, can you quickly review what's on the screen and ask me any questions? Can you quickly review what's on the screen and ask me any question about it? This is a tool we are developing. What?
The screen shows a tool for simulating brainwaves, specifically EEG signals. It has sections for adjusting brain state presets, simulating artifacts like muscle movements and eye blinks, and fine-tuning different brainwave frequencies like delta, theta, alpha, and beta. The main part shows a power spectrum graph that visualizes the frequency components of the simulated waveform.
Okay, and do you think this tool is advanced, or who is it for?
It appears to be a sophisticated tool for simulating brainwave data, likely useful for researchers, students, or developers working with EEG data. The ability to fine-tune various wave frequencies and simulate artifacts suggests it's designed for detailed analysis and understanding brain activity.
Okay, any idea how would you make it fit the screen any better?
One way to make it fit the screen better might be to adjust the scaling or zoom settings of the display, or to reorganize the layout of the elements within the interface to make them more compact or responsive to different screen sizes. This could involve using more responsive design techniques or allowing users to collapse or expand sections.
Right, do you think there is any chance of displaying everything, like the controls and the two charts on a single display in a single viewport?
Yes, it is definitely possible to display all the controls and the two charts on a single viewport. This could be achieved by using a responsive layout design that rearranges the elements dynamically based on screen size, or by using techniques like collapsible sections or tabs to make the information more accessible within a single view.
Wait, can you talk more, like cut the fluff and talk more like a 30-year-old data scientist?
All right, cutting the fluff. So basically, this tool lets you tweak brainwave frequencies and simulate artifacts. The power spectrum chart shows how those changes affect the signals. It's pretty advanced for analyzing EEG data, useful for research and development. To fit everything on one screen, you could use responsive layout or collapsible sections. Make it dynamic so it works on different screen sizes.
Is this layout any better?
Yeah, this layout looks more organized. Having the noise generator controls, the time domain waveform, and the frequency domain power spectrum all visible at once is much clearer. It's a good way to see the relationship between the settings and the generated signals, in both the time and frequency domains.
Yeah, but is it actually visible in one viewport? You have to change this is 100% screen size. Can you comment?
Got it. At 100% screen size, the controls and both charts are visible in a single viewpoint now. The layout makes it easy to see all the information at once, without needing to scroll.
Is the frequency domain visible, or is it chopped off?
The frequency domain chart is fully visible, not chopped off. You can see the complete graph, including the power levels across the frequency axis.
Can you double check again?
Yeah, just confirmed. The frequency domain chart is fully visible on the screen right now. Nothing is cut off, and you can see the complete power spectrum graph.
Yeah, I had this problem before. Okay, how about, wait a sec. So in this case, currently on the screen, is everything visible properly, or is any of the charts are chopped off?
Everything on the screen looks visible now. Both the power spectrum chart and the simulated EEG waveform are fully displayed within the viewport, along with the controls. There are no chopped off sections.
Okay, I'm not sure what are you talking about. What's the difference? What's the difference between this tool and this one here? Can you tell the difference?
The main difference between the noise generator dashboard and the advanced EEG Signal Simulator is their purpose. The noise generator dashboard creates various types of synthetic noise signals, while the EEG simulator is specifically designed to model brainwave characteristics and artifacts related to EEG signals. So the noise generator is more general purpose, while the EEG simulator is more specialized for brainwave analysis.
Okay, and how about this one here?
This one is the ECG Signal Generator. It's designed to simulate electrocardiogram signals, which show the electrical activity of the heart. Unlike the noise generator or the EEG simulator, this one focuses on generating signals specifically related to heart activity, like the different waveforms seen in an ECG reading.
And how about this one here?
This looks like the fNIRS interactive viewer. It's used to visualize data from functional near-infrared spectroscopy, which measures brain activity by detecting changes in blood oxygenation. Unlike the other simulators, this one is designed to display real data from brain activity measurements, showing changes in oxygenated and deoxygenated hemoglobin over time.
Not sure why we have this crackling sound in the audio. Probably have to try different speaker or something. Well, all the other audio works okay. It's just the prompt engineer talking.
Okay, I see. It sounds like the crackling sound is specifically related to the prompt engineering commentary. The other functionalities seem to be working fine.
Yeah, maybe we have to know the speaker should be fine. Must be, check the settings real quick. Okay, what do you think causing crackling noise from sound coming from a browser, actually from yourself?
Crackling sounds coming from a browser can be caused by various factors. It could be due to audio driver issues on your computer, problems with the browser's audio processing, or even conflicts with other programs running. Sometimes it can also be related to the specific audio being played or the browser's compatibility with the audio source.
Okay, I think the settings for the browser volume was just too loud or something, so it was saturating or something. Can you explain what might be happening?
That's quite likely. If the browser volume is set too high, it can cause the audio to distort or saturate, leading to a crackling sound. Lowering the volume can often resolve this issue by preventing the audio signal from being overloaded. It's a common problem when the sound levels are pushed too high for the device's capabilities.
No, but the device's capability is fine. But yes, I'm setting the browser's volume to around half. And it seems like the crackling is going away, maybe?
That's good to hear. Lowering the browser volume likely prevented the audio signal from distorting, which is a common cause of crackling sounds. Adjusting the volume to a moderate level can help ensure clearer audio quality.
And the device is perfectly fine. There's something going on with the browser, with Gemini, with AI Studio.
I understand. It seems the issue might be related to this interaction between the browser and Gemini AI Studio. There could be some compatibility issues or specific settings within the browser that are causing the crackling sound. It's possible that certain browser configurations or extensions could be interfering with the audio processing.
Okay, I'm actually monitoring the stream in the same browser. Would the crackling sound go away now or not?
It's possible that monitoring the stream in the same browser could contribute to the crackling sound. Having multiple audio processes or media playback running simultaneously in the same browser can sometimes overload the audio processing, leading to distortion or crackling. If the crackling sound has gone away after making adjustments, it indicates that the volume level or the combination of processes was the cause.
Yeah, that's a bit hopeless. Leave it as is for now. But yeah, it would be nice if we could chat to this thing without the crackling sounds. But yeah, we can try a different token. So you can select the number of tokens you're sending to this thing. So currently we were sending 258 tokens per image. 258 is a bit of an odd number. And there is an option to send 66 tokens per image. Should we do a different different voice? Can you review what's currently on the screen real quick? Make it fun.
It looks like you're looking at an interactive display of fNRS data. It shows graphs of different channels with colorful lines, and there are controls for playing and adjusting the display. It seems like a pretty neat way to explore this kind of information.
Okay, but definitely seem to have to restart the browser. Restart the browser. Can you tell what's on the screen real quick?
It looks like you're looking at a scatter plot on a website called bionicchaos.org. It's showing different modalities plotted against temporal resolution and spatial resolution. There are bubbles of different colors and sizes representing various modalities.
Okay, and how about this one?
Now you're looking at a different website displaying an advanced auditory hair cell simulation. It shows a model of tonotopic mapping, cochlear amplification, and neural rate, with controls for frequency and loudness.
Can you tell me what's wrong with the legend?
The legend is partially covering the simulation display, obscuring part of the visual.
We have this very experienced developer. Can you ask him a question about what's up with the legend?
Sure, I can suggest to the developer that the legend is over.
What? Just you've lost the prompt engineer. Lost the prompt engineer. What are we gonna do?